Yo, what's up, hustlers? It's 2023, and you know what's sexier than a Lamborghini right now? Financial freedom. Straight up, how many of you are working a 9-to-5, busting your ass, but still feeling like you're stuck on a hamster wheel? Let's be real. Traditional jobs ain't cutting it anymore. That's where side hustles come in, baby. These aren't just some trendy buzzword. They're your ticket to escaping the rat race. We're talking about building real wealth on your own terms by tapping into your passions and skills. You're gonna face challenges from figuring out the perfect side hustle to managing your time like a boss. But trust me, the rewards, they're worth every single bead of sweat. First up, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant. You might be thinking, Gary, seriously? Virtual assistant? But hear me out. This is like the Swiss Army knife of side hustles. Think about it. Every entrepreneur, every CEO, every influencer out there needs help with the nitty-gritty. That's where you come in. Managing emails, scheduling meetings, booking travel, handling social media. You become the behind-the-scenes ninja that keeps their world spinning. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. No more soul-crushing commute, no more office politics, just pure, unadulterated hustling on your own terms. You set your hours, you choose your clients, you build your empire. Businesses are realizing that outsourcing to rockstar VAs like you is not just cost-effective, it's damn efficient. So, if you're organized, proactive, and have a knack for getting things done, this might be your golden ticket. Now, let's talk about tapping into your inner creative beast with print on demand. Remember all those times you doodled a killer design on a napkin and thought, this needs to be on a t-shirt? Well, guess what? It can be, and you can make bank doing it. With print on demand, you don't need to invest in inventory, deal with shipping nightmares, or risk ending up with a garage full of unsold merch. You create the designs, upload them to platforms like Shopify, Printful, or Teespring, and boom! They handle the rest. Find your niche, whether it's hilarious cat memes, motivational quotes, or badass illustrations, and watch the orders roll in. It's low risk, high reward, and you get to unleash your inner design god or goddess. Next up, we're diving into the world of dropshipping. This, my friends, is e-commerce on steroids, without the inventory headaches. Imagine selling products online without ever actually touching them. Sounds like a dream, right? Here's how it works. You create an online store, partner with dropshipping suppliers, and list their products on your site. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles everything from packaging to shipping. Your job? Marketing like a boss and providing excellent customer service. The beauty of dropshipping is the low barrier to entry. You don't need to invest in a warehouse full of inventory, and you can test different products and niches without risking your life savings. Find a unique angle, build a strong brand, and crush it with your marketing game. All right, word nerds, this one's for you. If you've got a way with words and a passion for crafting compelling content, freelance writing could be your golden ticket to financial freedom. Businesses are starving for high-quality content, from blog posts and website copy to social media captions and email marketing campaigns. And guess what? They're willing to pay top dollar for writers who can deliver the goods. The best part? You can build your writing empire from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and a knack for weaving words that sell. Whether you're a seasoned journalist, a creative wordsmith, or just someone who loves to write, there's a niche out there for you. Let's face it, social media is no longer a trend. It's the lifeblood of any successful business. And who's the mastermind behind those perfectly curated feeds and engaging posts? Social media managers, that's who. If you live and breathe social media, know the difference between a hashtag and a handle, and can craft a tweet that goes viral, then this side hustle is your calling. Businesses are desperate for social media gurus who can build their brand, engage their audience, and drive sales through the roof. For those who thrive on creativity, connection, and building online communities, it's a dream come true. Calling all brainiacs and knowledge enthusiasts. If you've got a knack for explaining complex concepts in a way that even your grandma could understand, online tutoring might be your jam. The demand for online tutors has exploded in recent years, with students of all ages seeking personalized learning experiences. From elementary school math to college-level physics, there's a student out there who needs your expertise. The beauty of online tutoring is the flexibility it offers. You set your own hours, work from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection, and choose subjects you're passionate about. Platforms like Schooly, TutorMe, and Chegg Tutors make it easier than ever to connect with students and start earning money sharing your knowledge. Now, let's talk about the holy grail of side hustles' passive income. And no, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about affiliate marketing, baby. Imagine earning money while you sleep, sip margaritas on a beach, or binge-watch your favorite Netflix show. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Here's the deal. You partner with brands and promote their products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key to success? Authenticity and providing value to your audience. Attention all you crafty souls. If you've got a knack for creating beautiful, one-of-a-kind handmade goods, this one's for you. Turn your passion for crafting into a thriving side hustle by selling your creations online. Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade have made it easier than ever to connect with a global audience of eager buyers looking for unique, handcrafted treasures. Whether you're a knitting ninja, a jewelry-making Jedi, or a candle-pouring wizard, there's a market for your creations. Invest in high-quality materials, perfect your craft, take stunning product photos, and provide excellent customer service. And most importantly, price your products fairly to reflect your time, skill, and the love you pour into each creation. Got an eye for capturing stunning visuals? Turn your passion for photography into a lucrative side hustle with stock photography. Websites like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Adobe Stock are constantly on the lookout for high-quality, royalty-free images to license to businesses, bloggers, and publishers. From breathtaking landscapes and mouth-watering food photography to lifestyle shots and abstract art, there's a demand for diverse imagery. The more photos you upload, the more chances you have to earn passive income from your lens. Okay, hustlers, let's talk about real estate. You know, the big leagues. But hold on, before you start picturing yourself drowning in mortgage payments, let me introduce you to the game-changer real estate crowdfunding. This isn't your grandpa's real estate investing. We're talking about pooling your money with other savvy investors to buy a piece of commercial or residential properties. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet make it possible to invest in real estate with as little as a few $100s. It's a long-term investment strategy that can generate passive income and build wealth over time. There you have it, hustlers. 10 unique side hustles that can transform your financial future. Whether you're passionate about writing, crafting, teaching, or investing, there's a side hustle out there waiting to be unleashed. Remember, this isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about putting in the work, embracing the hustle, and building something extraordinary on your own terms. Drop a comment below and tell me which side hustle you're fired up to start. And don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing tips on building wealth and living life on your own terms.